Hello and welcome to Managing Undo Data Practice. In this practice, we are going to view and change undo retention, guarantee undo retention, and view undo information. To change undo retention, again, undo retention is a database parameter. So to be able to change undo retention, you have to connect to the database as DBA. Let's connect to the database as DBA or CL SQL plus SSDBA. The undo retention is a parameter, so to view the parameter we use show parameter undo. There are three parameters to the undo table space. The first one, which is undo management. Undo management either auto or manual. Oracle recommends to set the undo management to auto to use the undo table space instead of using manual to use rollback segment in the system table space. The second parameter, which is undo retention, by default it is 900 seconds, which is 15 minutes. The third one, which is undo table space, which is the name of the undo table space that will be used by the instance. In case of Oracle, for example, undo underscore table space for instance 1 will be, for example, undo tbs1. For instance 2 will be undo tbs2, because undo table space dedicated for only one instance. You cannot use one undo table space for more than one instance. So let's change the undo retention for our instance. Alter system set undo underscore retention equal, for example, 1800 seconds. This is a dynamic parameter, so there is no need to restart or to specify a scope equal sp file and restart your database instance. System alter show parameter undo underscore retention. Now it is 1800 seconds, which is equal to 30 minutes. Let's use Oracle Database Express to view undo retention or undo information and to confirm the new undo retention by using Database Express. So this is the detail of undo information. Here there is the configuration of undo. Undo management is auto or manual. Undo retention, as we can see here, it takes the new value, which is 1800 seconds, which is 30 minutes. Name of the undo table space. Undo retention, so far it is not guaranteed. In this section, the undo statistics summary information, you can see undo generation per seconds, which is 246 byte per second, the longest SQL statement and the longest SQL statement ID. Here is the undo generation rate in time frame. For example, around 1 a.m. 15 of April, there was around 35 byte per second undo generation. Here is the undo space usage information. You can see how many active, how many unexpired or expired undo information. If you put the cursor on active, you can see the maximum active undo data, which is around 53 megabyte, unexpired around 207 megabyte, expired around 1000 megabyte. This is the maximum value each category reached during the last day. This is the undo advisor, which gives you an advice to set the undo table space size depends on your target undo retention. For example, if you want to put your undo retention to 4000 seconds, you have to set your undo table space to 12 megabyte. Last thing in this practice, how to guarantee undo retention. Guarantee undo retention means the unexpired committed data is never overwritten unless it crosses the undo retention specified, which is in our case 30 minutes. So Oracle no way to overwrite unexpired committed data if you guarantee a retention unless the unexpired committed data crossed the undo retention. That is the meaning of guarantee undo retention. Again, the guarantee undo retention is an attribute for the undo table space. So to view if the undo table space is guaranteed or is not guaranteed, you have to select from dba underscore table spaces, select table space underscore name, and here is the column that will be used to check if the guaranteed is enabled or not enabled. As we can see, because guarantee retention is only applicable for undo table space, you can see other table spaces not apply. For the undo table space, currently it is not guaranteed. So to set the guaranteed for the table space, it is an attribute for the undo table space. You have to use alter statement, alter table space, alter table space undo tbs1 retention guarantee, table space alter, run the statement again to confirm the change. So as we can see, undo table space retention guarantee. So in this practice, we see how to change the undo retention, how to guarantee undo retention, and how to view information about undo using Oracle Database Express. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.